Property values are affected by a number of factors, not the least of which is a high-quality school district. The school facilities reflect on a community's culture and values. On December 4th, there will be a vote on the proposed middle school reconstruction and district-wide improvements initiative. This capital project includes many important parts, such as the performing arts. Putnam Valley is known for its vibrant culture arts program with high levels of student participation. Since the school was built in 1972, the middle school has seen both music and the performing arts flourish. Unfortunately, the spaces dedicated to our school's culture arts program do not meet the program's needs nor provide students the opportunities to meet their potential. Due to building-wide space constraints, some lessons are even forced to take place in hallways. The stage area is out of date and in need of renovations in order to allow us to hold middle school performances and events in the middle school.